In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your base currency in your account. Setting your base currency is a small change that makes a big difference. It ensures your prices, reports, and payouts line up with the money you actually use day to day, which helps avoid confusion, rounding surprises, and extra time spent converting amounts later. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make this update with confidence. Start by opening your account dashboard, then click Settings. You'll usually find this in the top navigation or under your profile menu, often shown as a gear icon. This takes you to the main area where you manage how your account behaves. Inside Settings, click Tax and Financial Information. This is the place where everything related to billing, taxes, and payout details lives. If you manage finances for a team or company account, make sure you've got the right permissions here so your update can be saved successfully. Now, find the Base Currency section. It may appear as a drop-down or a labeled field. Base currency is the default currency your account uses to display totals, calculate fees, and generate most financial reports. Choosing the right one helps keep your numbers consistent and easier to reconcile with your bank or accounting software. Next, select your currency. Look closely at both the currency name and the code, because some currencies share symbols. For example, dollars exist in multiple countries, and pounds do too. So the code, like USD, CAD, GBP, or AUD, matters. Pick the currency that matches how you invoice, pay out, and record your books. If your organization operates in multiple regions, choose the primary currency you report in, not necessarily the one you occasionally accept from customers. After you've made your selection, click Save Changes. This is the step that locks in your choice. Wait a moment for the confirmation message or check for a small banner indicating your settings were saved. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh the page and verify the base currency still shows your selection. In some cases, you may need to re-enter the page to see the update reflected across other financial sections. That's it. You clicked Settings, went into Tax and Financial Information, found base currency, chose the correct currency, and saved your changes. From here on, your reports and financial views should appear in the currency you selected, reducing confusion and making your accounting cleaner. If you ever audit your figures later, remember that consistency starts with this setting.